What's up guys? Good morning guys. Bali ngayon guys, magpapa-car wash muna tayo ng pickup kasi sobrang dumi at galing tayo sa Piangki guys. Ayun guys, tapos na tayo magpa-car wash. Ngayon guys, pupunta na tayo sa Works 316. Bali magpapakabit pala tayo ng fog lights guys. Dito pala yan guys, before mag-Crown Legacy. Yung 316 Works 316 pala, I mean. Ayan guys. Ayan guys, dito yan. Let's go. Bali guys, ipapalagay pala kami ng tint dito sa Hilux. Ayun. Kasi masyadong dark yung tint na nakalagay dati. So, yung tint na pinalagay namin is BF Films. Yan guys, nilalagyan na ng tint. Kaya guys, kung gusto nyo magpakabit ng... And then guys, ito pala yung mga other services na ginagawa nila dito. Bali, naglalagay sila ng top up, top flip, top up, pick up, bed cover. And then, nag-3 and ceramic coating din pala sila dito guys. Pati roll bars, yan guys. And then, GPNE. Bali ngayon guys, nakapagabit kami ng dashcam at tint. Yan. Pati reverse cam. Yo, what's up guys? I'm back. Bali tapos na tayo guys magpa-tint. And then lalagay na rin yung TRL dun sa fog lights. Bali babalik lang tayo guys para sa ilaw ng mga fog lights. That's all for today. Good night. Yan siya guys. Part 2 pala to guys kasi kakadating lang ng fog lights ng Hilux. So abangan nyo to. See you.